Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Candid V6 tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Candid V6 tablet. Uses. Candid V6 tablet is used to treat fungal infections of the vagina. It's also helpful in treating general and severe fungal infections and may even be prescribed for conditions like dandruff in some cases. Benefits. This medication stops the growth of fungus in the vaginal area, providing relief from symptoms like pain, itching, and abnormal discharge. Even if symptoms improve, it's important to complete the full course to prevent the infection from returning. Side effects. Like many antifungal medications, Candid V6 tablet may cause some mild side effects. These include irritation, burning sensation, skin peeling, swelling, or even blistering at the application site. If any reaction is severe or persistent, consult your doctor. How to use. Use Candid V6 exactly as directed by your doctor. Wash and dry the vaginal area first. Lie on your back and gently insert the tablet into the vagina, preferably at bedtime. This allows the medicine to work overnight while you rest. How it works. Candid V6 tablet is an antifungal medicine that works by killing the fungi causing the infection. It destroys their cell membranes, stopping their growth and reducing symptoms like burning, itching, and discharge.